Have you ever had a bad morning? I'm talking about one of those ones where you wake up and things are just terrible. Waking up is terrible, doing the things that you do in the morning are terrible, traffic's bad, people are difficult, just one of those all-round terrible mornings, right? Now, I had one of those today, and I just felt miserable the whole day and, actually the whole morning. And it's only when I got to my daily checklist that I have for things that I need to do every day that I changed my state. Because there was one thing on my checklist that I have every day, which is to smile, right? Now, I realized because it was a bad morning, I didn't actually smile at all this morning. Until I got to the list and I saw it and I kind of was angry, but then at the same time I thought, you know what, like I'm committed to being happy and to smiling. So I thought, okay, let's just do it. So I actually did it and I smiled, and Alhumdulillah, I felt so much better. Mainly because I made the decision to smile, but then at the same time it actually made me more grateful as well. And I want to share this with you because I think that there should be a morning routine that you guys have where you're doing different things which will change your state. And so one of the biggest things for me is making sure that every single morning, no matter what happens, I smile. So I'd ask you to do the same, insha'Allah. JazakAllahu khair for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.